We are well into the fall semester, which means we have more library news for you. And by the way, this news is best enjoyed with a cardigan and pumpkin spice latte. This week in the libraries, join the UNT Political Science Department, Honors College, and UNT Libraries as we invite the UNT community to join us for the celebration of Constitution Day 2024. A lecture on why court reform is good for the Constitution by Dr. Matthew Eshba Soha will address President Joe Biden's recommendations for Supreme Court reform, several fundamental constitutional issues, and speak to the balance of power between the court and the presidency. Please note that space is limited, and seats will be available on a first-come, first-served basis. We encourage students seeking participation credit to arrive early. Just a reminder that every week until the end of September, the Media Library is hosting their Escape the Library experience. The theme for this year is that you and your group are stuck in the vault at UNT Library's post-apocalyptic world. You'll need to rely on your awesome special abilities to uncover clues, unlock new research skills, and locate the librarian's treasure. Can you do it in just 45 minutes? Contact the Media Library at media.library.unt.edu to sign up. The LibPicks have a prestigious history throughout UNT libraries and are sacred to the library's news. So let's get into it. Just a friendly reminder that course reserves are available to all UNT students and are a great resource for that last-minute study session right before your exam. You can learn more about course reserve textbooks and materials by visiting our Access Services desk. Want to learn how to 3D print, use a CNC, or even use a laser cutter? Be sure to check out the Spark at Willis, Discovery Park, and Frisco Landing, where you can attend training sessions and ignite your imagination using tools at our unique makerspaces. Look out for training opportunities and classes by visiting the services desk at each of our locations, or by checking out the library calendar by visiting calendar.library.unt.edu. Lastly, looking for research and instruction help to get started on your next assignment? Be sure to check out our research and instruction playlist on YouTube for helpful tips and tricks on things like navigating databases and using our VPN and more. Another great resource is our Ask Us service, which can be reached at library.unt.edu/askus. Well, that's all the library news that we have for today. Be sure to check us out next week for more info. And as always, check out our website, library.unt.edu, for all the resources available to you. See ya!